All right, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to drill down item IDs on new products that you upload. So you want to go into campaigns, you want to go to your test bucket, you want to click on your item ID drill add group. So basically, when you're uploading new products on your Shopify store, they're not going to appear here, like they're not going to appear in a new single row, right? So instead, they're going to appear in this category here, so everything else in all products. So you can see that if we look at all these rows, there's only one product. But if we look at this row, there's 47 products. So these 47 products are new products that I've uploaded in the past couple days. So what we want to do, like every time you upload about 5 or 10 products, you want to come here to edit subdivision. And you can see if you scroll down that these new products here will be unticked, right? So what you want to do is you just want to go like this and tick them all. So now if we scroll down, all those new products are ticked. And then we just want to go save without editing bids. And that will add all those products as rows here. So now we've got way more rows of single products. And then if we mouse over everything else in all products, you can see there's nothing in the all products product group. So the reason we do that is because later on we'll want to put individual bids for each of those products. If they remained in the in this product group, everything else, then we can only set one bid for every single product.